Like, hello, how can I help you? Do you need something? It's giving grown and sexy. I mean, girl, you need this wig. If you want to learn how I apply this wig, stay tuned so you can see how I applied this Glueless. Yeah, Glueless. Gorgeous asymmetrical wig that I custom made, cut and styled. It is time to apply her. My beautiful asymmetrical custom wig that I made with the lace band attached. And yes, it's adjustable. You can take it apart and put it together. You can also adjust it as needed so that you can get the tight fit that you need. So first and foremost, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just spray some lace tint inside of my wig so that I can get the lace to be my color. Because I am impatient today, I'm gonna go ahead and dry her off with the dryer. Usually I will let it just air dry, but for the sake of the video, I don't wanna wait all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off. Now this is what it looks like after I put the lace tint in. You can see where the lace tint is not, and then this is where the tint is, and it matches perfectly with my skin. That prevents me from having to use a bunch of makeup in the inside because I don't like it to get clumpy and all that jazz. Now personally, I like to cut my lace prior to putting it on my head because I'm not a fan of cutting my skin off. And sometimes that happens when you use a razor. So I just nip it. I just do little nips and I rip so I can still get that jagged look and it's not cut like straight across. And because she's a glueless wig, I'm going to show you how to wear her glueless. Take it like this, lay the front down. And snatch it back. Then you adjust. A little gots to be just to lay my baby hair right back down. this is my quick and easy wig install. And yes, it's the custom wig that I made by hand during my wig series, How to Make a Wig 101. So I hope that you were tuned into those videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy glueless wig install, mind you. Make sure you watch the series of How to Make a Wig 101. That's when I constructed this wig, and then also go to the video of how I cut and styled her. So if you haven't already, make sure you press that subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment, and share with somebody who loves hair content, honey, because I'm gonna give it to you. Until next time I see you, I love you, and bye.